Jake.
Well, that's not good.
And believe it or not, this thing actually runs. Oh. All right, guys, it's a sunny day. It's a beautiful sunny day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jake, what are we driving in today, actually?
What are we driving in today?
Yeah, what are we whipping to the job site today?
2007 and a half, coming 6.7 with the G56.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We were hunting for deals. We met him on Facebook Marketplace.
Back in our flipping days.
And yeah, pretty much we got a couple cars from him. We got 3 cars in total, 2 clapped out Subarus, which thank God they're gone out of my life, and 1 International. And that International, it is a running, driving International, which is crazy, but you'll see. There's literally no floorboard. Jake drove this thing home. And Jake, what do you have to say about that drive home?
Well, it didn't have any brakes. I drove it from Gresham to Tigard, which is about a 35-40 minute drive. And I was just, the entire time, I was just praying somebody doesn't decide to do something stupid in front of me. Right before we got there, though, I had a Camry pull out in front of me and almost ended up in a light pole, so that was interesting.
Like, it's a serious safety hazard. So we wanted to go find a clean body. We found a great deal. I went out to the dude's property. Jake was getting sloshed at a rodeo during, so this was a solo mission for me. But yeah, I get there, I see the truck, I see the Ford that I was buying, and you know, that's where I bought the Ford. I was like, oh, I want that. I came back for it later. But we found this clean International body. Super clean, minimal rust. We're going to see if we can try to get it to run today. We're going to see if we can... Okay, we're getting too far ahead. We're going to try to turn the engine today. So, there they are. All right, Jake, tell me what I'm looking at.
Looking at 1970. Is this one the 1973?
Yeah.
1973 International 1200D.
All right, let me show you guys around this thing. So, as you can see here, now that might look bad, but it's actually not crazy terrible. Oh god, there's a wasp in here. There's probably a wasp nest somewhere in here, because I haven't been back here all summer. So, I mean, since last summer. So, I'm gonna close that. But yeah, here's the hood in here. Alright, so we took the distributor coils out.
Oh, that's good.
What's good?
We ain't got no more go-go juice.
Oh, no more fuel.
That was once a fuel line.
Oh, not anymore. Alright, so I'm gonna spray some Corolla down there. Try to loosen it up. Shit. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right down here.
That was a lot easier than I really expected it to be.
Wow. Alright.
Spark plug 1.
There we go.
Dude, these are coming out nicely, actually.
That's good news. Last time this truck was running was in the early 2000s. So, you know, it was running at some point this decade. Jake?
Well, that's not good. That is coolant. That ain't supposed to be there.
I don't think that's supposed to happen. All right, so that cylinder is full of coolant. What does this mean for us, Jake?
Oh, you guys might see us build an engine or swap an engine or rebuild this one. I don't know the severity of it yet, but that's not good.
In other words, this engine is pretty... this engine's clapped.
I mean, we do have another engine that does run.
Hey, it does. That it does. All right, well, since we're here...
Damn. One day she'll look like that.
all right. Since we're here, Jake, what is this stuff called?
It's Kroil. It's expensive, but if you want WD-40 that actually works, this is it.
So we're gonna Kroil up this entire vehicle because
Spiders.
Because as you can see there, it's got its own fair share of rust. Let me actually show you the other International. You're gonna want to see this. Bruh. So Jake drove this home, and believe it or not, this thing actually runs. But yeah, look, if you like, dude, that's so sketch. Jake drove this home 40 minutes pretty much from Gresham. Like, that is all open. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, that's horrible. Oh. See? But this thing does run, and it has a couple good parts. So we're probably gonna take some parts from this one, take them over here, and yeah, go from there. I wonder what he's working on. All right, Jake. So what's the summary for today?
Well, throw in the comments what engine should we put in this thing.
What engine do you think we should put in this thing? There's a lot of different options. Anything can happen.
Keep it international. We got the usual 350, 305, 302. What you guys think?
Let us know. All right, guys. We went to the field. We did not... Well, we found out that pretty much we just need a new engine. So, put in the comments what engine we should put in there. What engine would you put in there, Jake, if you were to choose one?
Probably a 454 and a TH400.
That's a good option. So, let us know what we should do next. See ya.